वो कारभार चल्ला तो पळोवन जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन जालें। भलायकी खातें, बोट ओनर्स, गोवा कॅन, वेळी पंचायतीचो सरपंच आनी जिल्लोधिकाऱ्याच्या कचेरेचे अधिकारी आशिल्ले। वेळीचो सरपंच नुस्तेमारी खात्याक बोट दाखयता।
फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान सांगलें की टॉयलेटूय न्हय। आमी जाय ते आजून फिशरीजान काय केलें ना। हेजेर गव्हर्मेंटान एक्शन घेवचें आनी गोंयचे कितें आमचे फिशरीजा टॉयलेट दिवपा जाय ते कित्याक सद्या 10 टॉयलेट आहाय ते पावनाय आमचे इतले मायग्रंट वर्कर्स आहाय तेजेर कितें करचें गव्हर्मेंटान। कारण जे आतां रावताय ते आमचे न्हू ते जे जेटी अंडर कन्स्ट्रक्शन ते फिशरीजान कोणाक दिला कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराले ते फिशरीजान चोवपा जाय आसलें।
गोवा कॅनचो रोलंड मार्टिनान नुस्तेमारी खात्याक उजरायले। खात्याचे खंय चल्ला ताचेर लक्ष ना।
We have noticed that the Directorate of Fisheries property does not have a board. Their premises has been taken over by contract workers. There are breeding sites on the property. So that is the first issue. What is also of serious note is that the Sulabh toilet which is here, if you see the condition of the Sulabh toilet, in a time when the government is talking about Swachh Bharat, the condition is pathetic. That the Fisheries Department wants to abdicate its responsibility. Even the Sarpanch, Secretary of the Panchayat were here today availing, and it is shocking to see that now they have sent one copy of this letter to be delivered to the Panchayat when the meeting is today. So you can see very clearly that there seems to be an effort by the Fisheries Department to wash his hands off. We are firmly convinced that the Fisheries Department has to be the lead agency in this area.
भलायकी खातें म्हणटा कामगारांचे खंय रेग्युलर स्क्रीनिंग जाता।
सो आवर डॉक्टर फ्रॉम हेल्थ ऑफिसर PHC बालीचे एक मनीस दवरता सकाळचो 9 ते 4:30 पर्यंत स्क्रीन करपाक। सो वी वॉन्टेड दॅट जॉयंट मिटींग वॉज देयर सो दॅट वी वॉन्टेड बोट ओनर्स असोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट to help us to screen these people so that they are the ones who have to send, because screen laborers what they say they have to get permission from the owner to come to get screened. So that is why we wanted their cooperation. Now main is because we don't want these people, they are coming from some other states which are endemic to malaria. So when they come here, they are not screened, then there is local population staying close to this jetty. So we do not want that vector-borne disease should pass on to the local population.
नुस्तेमारी मंत्री विनोद पालयेकर हालींच हे जेटीचे इन्स्पेक्शन करून गेला। तेन्ना बाकीच्या ह्या कारभाराचेर ताणें नजर तरी घाल्या काय म्हूण लोकांक दुबाव। प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस।